Well, what is the first thing that comes to your mind when you hear the word Cadbury? Well, indeed it gives us the chocolatey nostalgic ride to our school days, first crush, farewell and even Valentine's week. लेकिन पता है, since 2010, Cadbury has used geometry, economics and gastrophysics to make its chocolate more chocolatey and cost effective. Initially, Cadbury chocolates used to look like this, but later after 2010, these chocolates evolved to look something more like this, something more rounder and curved. As per geometry, curved and rounded shapes have lesser volume, making them economically effective since lesser chocolate and hence saving costs. लेकिन इंटरेस्टिंग बात यह है कि जब कैडबरी ने यूके में फर्स्ट टाइम ये न्यूली शेप्ड चॉकलेट लॉन्च की थी, सो देयर वाज एन आउटक्राई फ्रॉम द पब्लिक स्टेटिंग दैट कैडबरी हैज मेड देयर चॉकलेट स्वीटर, एडिंग मोर शुगर टू इट. लेकिन ऐसा कुछ था ही नहीं. Here comes gastrophysics. Because the rounded shapes tend to taste sweeter as compared to square and angular shapes. So next time when you have one, just compare. Is the rounded one sweeter?